Okay, it is January 23rd at Miss Ottaway's house. Gonna attempt to repair on a wind damaged shingle. So, there's our wind damaged shingle. We'll remove. So it goes this way. These nails out. One course removed, still to come out, so we got one more course up. Sorry, it's like the nails are overdriven a little bit here. So. Cedric, this isn't easy. Well. Okay, so that shingle can be removed there. Let me grab the camera for a second. I'll got like 2 points here. So, shingles removed. Do want to point out the nails are a little overdriven, so we do have like some tearing where the holes were, and then like right here between the tabs, we're starting to see some tearing there too. All right. We had to separate those. You see a 30-pound felt under there. Here's the shingle we removed. Looks like we also had some matting transfer. All right, so that means the back side of these shingles are being transferred to the front side. So now we'll simulate putting a shingle back in and see how that looks. So. Keep it rolling there. Get rid of this guy. slow movement, sorry. One more. Got it. All right. So there's the shingle replace. It's a different color here. I want to point out that we've got some extra wear where it's doing this repair is damaging the shingles nearby. All right, we see extra wear there, extra wear here. In addition to that, we're seeing the weakening between the tabs there. All right, and we're seeing the matting transfer, which is on the underside of these. So that's thinning these out, which can reduce the weatherproofing ability and the service life of these shingles. So when we do this repair, attempt to repair here, we actually damaged, this is one additional shingle, this is 2 additional shingles. All right, and then you can keep on going here, so this would be 3. All right, so I'll just keep on being exponential here. Continue on. So that's why we deemed this non-repairable roof. In addition to that, when all this ridge cap and ridge vent come off, it's got to go all the way back to the cap over there. It's going to leave all this ridge cap damaged and exposed, which is a very vulnerable point of the roof. The roofing system's older, susceptible to not being repairable, and just needs the whole thing to be replaced. Did want to point out too that when we get near these the valleys here, those are woven, so they can't just replace one slope. Once we get to these areas here, the whole slope, all the slopes need to be replaced. If you have any questions, you can reach back out to us. Thanks.